Hello, my name is Mary Eames. I am doing my individual presentation for this English class on the benefits of breastfeeding in public. I really like this one. I chose it because my sister was breastfeeding while we were in California this past weekend, and then also our teacher talked about it in her example of the individual presentation. The summary of the article that I used is there are a million reasons why breastfeeding is better for the baby and the mommy. Most people get uncomfortable with mothers breastfeeding publicly, and they simply just don't understand why they can't just cover up, go to a public place, or just give the baby a bottle. Yes, these all seem like very simple situations, but not every baby is the same, and that's where I think most people get confused. Some main points of the article are breastfeeding is 100 times better emotionally and scientifically proven healthier than formula in a bottle made for the baby. Breastfeeding is commonly viewed as inappropriate because of breasts, because they are viewed sexually in many cultures. This is a big one because it's like the only reason why people think it's inappropriate is because people just view breasts as sexual objects, which they're not. It's actually one of the most natural things that a mother and a baby go through when a baby is born. Last, not all babies are the same, and mothers do breastfeeding differently to help their very hungry babies. First off, sorry if the picture is blurry, but to ask a person, does this picture make you uncomfortable? Some facts about breastfeeding that people misunderstand because they haven't breastfed yet or because it's coming from a male perspective because they don't breastfeed. Breastfeeding is the most humane and natural way to feed a baby, like I said a couple of seconds ago. Breastfeeding is viewed inappropriately because breasts are seen as sexual objects, which is purely a cultural belief. Some cultures in, for example, Africa, don't even think that it's bad for a woman to wear to not wear a shirt. The women just walk around shirtless and just breastfeed whenever they want, or just walk around shirtless and don't have to be breastfeeding in order to not wear a shirt. Breastfeeding has different health benefits for babies and versus mothers. They both have different benefits to both of them, which I will explain those benefits in the next slide. Breastfeeding publicly is legal in all 50 states. This one amazed me because I did not think that this was going to be legal in all 50 states. Breastfeeding is harder than it looks and is on a timely matter and must have a good latch in order to keep the baby fed and calm. Breast milk keeps baby healthy. Many studies on breast milk have shown that breastfeeding is one of the best ways to protect the mother and the baby from multiple illnesses and diseases. Pneumonia, a lung disease, otitis, ear infection, diarrhea, excess weight issues, diabetes, and sudden infant death syndrome are all better prevented when a baby is breastfed. Breastfeeding mothers see increased protection against cancer, diabetes, and heart diseases. This information was stated by Dr. Lori Fedman Winter, who shares the breastfeeding wing of American Academy of Pediatrics, and certified lactation consultant Norma Escobar. Information about the article. What perspective was the article written by? The author of Benefits of Breastfeeding in Public is by Amy Hainline. The article was published August 2nd of 2019. Amy is a woman that is explaining that there's a new daily story of another woman being ashamed for breastfeeding their baby publicly. She explains that mothers are being shamed by being told to cover up or move elsewhere when feeding. Who was the article intended for? The article was published on USA Today. That means that this article was published to the public for everyone, and there are three main reasons why. It explains why breastfeeding is so important, why public breastfeeding is not inappropriate and why you might think it is, and why do mothers not just go to a private area. What are some bias about this article? For one, Amy is a woman, so women, of course, are going to support other women in breastfeeding. She only looks at the pros of breastfeeding and doing it in public and not the cons. She only emphasizes how hard it is in the perspective of the breastfeeding mother and not really the people around her. The rhetorical appeals from the article. Logos. Breastfeeding is legal in all 50 states. Doing it uncovered also helps the mother to make sure that they have a good latch to prevent sore nipples and make sure that the baby is breathing. Pathos. Breastfeeding is also a very stressful thing to do and is even more stressful when people around you are judging and accusing you of doing it in the public. Ethos. Scientists and doctors have proven that breastfeeding is extremely healthier and emotionally better than a bottle for both baby and mommy. The strongest and the weakest points of this article. The strongest points are, if a person feels uncomfortable with a mother breastfeeding publicly, they should be the one to move and distance themselves, not the hardworking mother. Second, every baby is different. It explains that not every baby can take a bottle. Some babies don't like to be covered when feeding, and most babies eat every other hour, which means that mother is breastfeeding a lot. Last, evidence and cited resources are provided by professionals to explain why breastfeeding is beneficial. The weakest part about this article is the article doesn't flow with his words as much, in my opinion. It also could be more organized with explaining the benefits. I feel like it jumps around back and forth from different topics too much. It can also be less repetitive with some of the benefits. My personal argument. I think that breastfeeding publicly should not be shamed upon. If someone has a problem with it, they should be shamed upon. I think that if people do have a problem with seeing a mother breastfeeding, is because they look at breasts as a sexual object. The gray areas of this argument. Most people wonder why mothers can't just go to a private area. Breastfeeding rooms are not provided for women. There also may not be a private area near them, which would make it complicated for a mother who has a crying baby to go around looking for a private area instead of just feeding where she is. Breastfeeding may take up to 2 hours and needs a comfortable position for the mother to be in. Mothers usually have more than one kid and cannot contain them all in a private area. Last, why can't mothers just give babies formula to avoid breastfeeding in public? Breasts get engorged if they do not release the milk on the timely manner. Breastfeeding is usually your breasts usually get used to your baby feeding every other hour, like I said before. So when you skip an hour, it really hurts the mother in that way. Some babies refuse bottles, so breasts are the only option for feeding. Some people don't understand this, but some babies are really picky when it comes to bottle versus breasts. Discussions about the article. Most male perspectives of the same issue. I use this picture because this is what it means to me. This is how I see it when people view breasts as objects. You have a woman in the background who's wearing a bra for a bra sale at the mall. Then you have underneath the picture is a mother breastfeeding a child. Then you have looks like a male seller, someone that has a store, and a policeman. And it says, nursing, this is a shopping mall. We cannot allow women to bridally displays their breasts. This is iconic because it has a woman showing her breasts in a bra, and which is not as natural as a woman breastfeeding her baby. How this article influenced my opinion? This article opened my eye to how hard it is to breastfeed under a cover. I did not know that women get sore breasts if they do not latch well, which seems like it would be very uncomfortable. It also gave great examples of how breastfeeding is not just for feeding, but is also for nurturing the baby. In this example, it means that, like on a flight, we chew gum to help our ears. Babies use their mother's breasts when taking off and when the air pressure gets harder for their ears, because sucking helps so that their ears don't hurt. Last, it explains how breasts are seen sexually, and that's why it seems so inappropriate. And most people are uneducated on breastfeeding because they just haven't done it yet. Last, this is my favorite article. This is my favorite quote from the article because it humanizes the baby and how they like to eat in public too. It says, "And yes, babies want to eat in restaurants, on planes, at the pool, and at the museum, and at the doctor's office." Thank you for watching this. Hope you guys all have a great rest of your day, and thank you very much.